to fix Facebook featured photo not appearing. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Facebook featured photos not appearing. When you open your Facebook application and tap on your profile at the top left, you will reach your profile page, and when you scroll down, there you will find your featured photo if you have added them. But if you are unable to see your featured photo on Facebook, then there are several ways you can try to resolve this issue. First of all, make sure your internet connection is stable and strong. For that, you can also try switching between data network and Wi-Fi. Also make sure your airplane mode is turned off. Now after that, open your Facebook and check your featured photo. If it is not appearing still, then you might clear the cache of Facebook. For that, go to your device settings and here scroll to find applications and permissions. Tap on it once you find it. Here tap on this app manager option. After doing that, you will be taken to a new page. Also note that the exact steps may vary depending on the model of your device. Once you reach here you will find the list of all the applications installed on your device. Here scroll down to find Facebook application. Once you find the Facebook application, tap on it to open it. And there tap on this internal storage. Soon after opening the internal storage, there you will find clear cache option. Tap on this option and your cache will be cleared. Now after clearing your cache, go and check your photos in Facebook, whether they are appearing now or not. If the issue still persists, you can try reinstalling the application. For that, go and open your Play Store on your device and at the search bar type Facebook. Now search for it. Once it loads, tap on it. There you will find Uninstall button. Tap on this Uninstall button and then again reinstall it. If you find Update button here, then your app might need the updates. Go ahead and tap on this update and start the update process. Once your app completes the update process, you will find you have successfully fixed featured photo not appearing in Facebook. Now when you open your Facebook application, now you will find your featured photo in your profile. After updating, you may also find new features that might have added in your Facebook application. Go and explore those features. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.